Welcome to Infinity. In this video, we are going to discuss how to configure the item settings. Click on the Inventory module from the module bar. After clicking on it, locate the item option on the left side panel and click on it. To access the settings, click on the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the screen, and select the Settings option. After clicking on Settings, a new window will open in front of you. Under the General section, you will find multiple setting options. Each setting is accompanied by a help text that provides a brief explanation of what the setting does, giving you a clear idea of its functionality. At the top of the Settings window, there is an Account Setup tab. By clicking on this tab, you can set up different account setups. If you want to add additional custom fields for an item, you can do so by clicking on the Custom Fields option. This allows you to add extra fields based on your business requirements. By following these steps, you can easily configure the inventory settings for your items. Thank you for watching.